Hi everyone. What will a return to school during the COVID-19 pandemic look like? As a parent, what all we need to know when we are sending our kids back to school during this coronavirus period? Let us just see what all we have to take care when we are sending them back to school during this reopening of schools in our nation. Life during the COVID-19 pandemic is difficult for parents and children alike. The return to school is an important and hopefully welcome step, but you and your children likely to have many questions. Here is some information on what we need to expect and how to support our young kids. When and how will schools be reopened? We are slowly seeing an increased number of children returning to the classroom. More than 1 billion students are still out of school due to nationwide school closures, but more than 70 countries have announced their plans to reopen schools, and hundreds of millions of students have returned in recent weeks. Given the difficulty of the situation and variation across the globe, countries are in different stages regarding how and when they need to plan to reopen schools. These decisions will be usually made by the national governments, often in discussion with the state governments and local authorities. When deciding whether to reopen schools, authorities should consider the benefits and risks across the education, public health, and socio-economic factors in the local context. The best interest of every child should be at the center of these decisions, using the best available evidence, but exactly how this will look will vary from school to school. Is it safe for my child to go back to school? It's crucial that schools plan ahead and look at what additional measures they can put in place to help ensure students, teachers, and other staff are safe when they return and communities are confident in sending their students back to school. Going back to the school will likely look like little different from what you and your child were used to before it. It's possible that every schools may reopen for a period of time and then a decision may be made to close them again temporarily, depending on the local context. Because of the evolving situations, authorities will need to be flexible and ready to adapt to help keep every child safe. What precautions should the school be taking to prevent COVID-19 virus from spreading? School reopening should be consistent with each country's overall COVID-19 health response to help protect students, staff, teachers, and their families. Some of the practical measures that schools can take, which includes they can start and close the school days depending upon the situations, reduce the hours of study, staggering mealtime, moving classes to temporary spaces or even outdoors of the schools, holding schools in shifts to reduce the class size. That's very, very important. Water and hygiene facilities will be a crucial part of schools reopening safely. Administrators should look at opportunities to improve hygiene measures, including hand washing, respiratory etiquette, that is coughing and sneezing into the elbow, physical distancing measures, cleanliness, cleaning procedures for facilities, and safe food preparation practices. Administrative staff and teachers should also be trained on physical distancing and school hygiene practices. This is very important while we are reopening. What questions should I be asking to our school teacher or school administrators? During such a worrying and disruptive time, it's natural to have a lot of questions, some helpful ones you may want to ask, which includes, what steps has the school taken to help ensure the safety of the students? That's very important. How will the school support the mental health of students and combat any stigma against people who have been sick? What they are going to do. How will the school refer children who may need referrals for specialized supports? Will any of the school's safeguarding and bullying policies change once school starts to reopen? How can I support school safety efforts, including through parent-teacher communities or some networks. As a parent, what can I do like that? What should I do if my child has fallen behind? Students around the world have shown just how much they want to keep learning. They have persisted with their lessons under different circumstances, which with the support of their dedicated teachers and parents. But many children will need extra support nowadays to catch up on their learning when schools are reopening. Because of many reasons, many schools are making plans for catch-up lessons to help bring students back up to the speed. This might include starting the year with a refresher or remedial courses, after-school programs or supplemental assignments to be done at home, etc. Given the possibility that many schools may not open full-time or for all grades, schools may implement blended learning models, a mix of classroom instruction and remote education, self-study through take-home exercises, radios, TV and online as we are doing now. Give extra support to your child at home by creating a routine around school and schoolwork. This can help if they are feeling restless and having trouble in focusing. You may want to contact your child's teacher or school to ask questions and stay informed. Be sure to let them know if your child is facing specific challenges like grief over a family loss or a heightened anxiety due to the pandemic. As a parent, I am worried about what should I do if my child is struggling to get back to school mode. Remember that your child will be dealing with the stress of the ongoing crisis differently from you. They might be missing their friends and teachers. Create a supportive and nurturing environment and respond positively to questions and expressions of their feelings. Show support and let your child know that it's okay but normal to feel frustrated or anxious at times like this. Help your children to stick to their routines and make learning playful and by incorporating it into everyday activities like cooking, family reading time, or games. Another option could be joining a parent or community group to connect with other parents who are going through the same experience to share tips and get support. With thinking more about this, as a parent, you can support your children to go back to their school as they used to go before this pandemic. Hope this is helpful for you. If you like all these things, please subscribe to my channel. I'll come with another video soon. Till then, bye-bye. Thank you.